Hi everyone, welcome to Accounting with Morgan. Today we will be discussing the accounting equation. So if you're new to accounting, this is very important to understand because it is like one of the most important building blocks of it. So yes, let's get into it. So what is the accounting equation? It's a formula that shows how a company's resources or assets are funded, either through borrowing, which is liabilities, or through ownership, which is equity. Every transaction in accounting affects at least two accounts in a way that keeps the equation balanced. The basic form of the accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity, which means everything a business owns is either owned by someone else, like a lender, or it belongs to the owner. This equation always has to stay balanced. Let's break down the three parts of the equation. Assets are what the business owns, things like cash, inventory, equipment. Liabilities are what the business owes, like loans or unpaid bills. Equity is the owner's claim on the business after all the debts are paid, usually made up of common stock and retained earnings. Why is the accounting equation so important? It's how we make sure every transaction is recorded properly. It keeps the financial statements accurate and balanced and helps us track the financial health of a business. Here's a quick example. A company buys a $5,000 computer. They pay $2,000 in cash and take out a $3,000 loan for the rest. So the company's assets increase by $5,000, which is the new computer. And then the liabilities go up by $3,000, which is a loan. So that's on the other side of the equation. But then cash, which is also an asset, goes down by $2,000. So again, everything is balanced. You have $3,000 going up in assets for the total, and then $3,000 going up for the loan for liabilities on the other side. So the equation remains balanced. To sum it all up, the accounting equation is the foundation of all financial accounting. It makes sure your books are balanced, your reports are accurate, and your business makes sense on paper. You'll see this equation pop up over and over again, so get comfortable with it now. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very beginner friendly, and in the next video we will be discussing debits and credits. So if you find this useful and you want to continue learning more, continue to keep liking those videos and subscribing, and I will continue making more videos.